Good day children, Sai Ram. Welcome back to your online class. In today's class of English grammar, we will start with a new topic, that is chapter number 9, pronouns. Read the following sentences. Ram is a brave boy. Ram is 8 years old. Ram does his homework every day. Ram plays with his friends. Now children, can you tell me which word is repeated in these sentences? Can you guess which word is repeated? I repeat the sentences again. Ram is a brave boy. Ram is 8 years old. Ram does his homework every day. Ram plays with his friends. So, which word is repeated here? Yes, you are right. The word Ram, 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 Ram is repeated. So children, in all the 4 sentences, the word, that is the noun, that is the name, Ram is repeated. So, can you think and tell me, instead of writing Ram again and again and again, which word can you replace for the word Ram? So, can you think which word can you replace instead of this word in the place of Ram? Ram is a boy. Okay. So, for boy, what can we call? Yes, you are right. We can write he. So, instead of Ram, we can replace he in this place. So, the sentences will be, he is 8 years old. He does his homework every day. He plays with his friends. Children, understood? So children, to avoid repetition of the noun Ram, we have used the word he. So he is a pronoun. Okay. So children, the word that is used instead of noun is known as pronoun. Understood? So children, what are pronouns? Pronouns are words used instead of nouns. I repeat, pronouns are words used instead of nouns. For example, I, me, mine, we, us, our, ours, you, your, yours, he, his, him, she, her, hers, they, them, their, theirs, it, its. I repeat, I, me, mine, we, us, our, ours, you, your, yours, he, his, him, she, her, hers, they, them, their, theirs, it, its. Now children, let me explain you in detail. Some pronouns are used only for masculine naming words. For example, he, him, himself, his. I repeat, some pronouns are used only for masculine naming words. For example, he, him, himself, his. Some pronouns are used only for feminine naming words. For example, she, her, herself. I repeat, some pronouns are used only for feminine naming words. For example, she, her, herself. Some pronouns are used for any of the genders. For example, I, me, they, them, us, you, etc. I repeat, some pronouns are used for any of the genders. For example, I, me, they, them, us, you, etc. Some pronouns are only used for singular naming words. For example, it, he, she, him, her, his, etc. Some pronouns are only used for singular naming words. For example, it, he, she, him, her, his. Some pronouns can be used to refer only plural naming words. For example, they, we, them, those, these. I repeat, some pronouns can be used to refer only plural naming words. For example, they, we, them, those, these. Now children, let us go through some more examples. Read the following sentence. Tina is a girl. She is 8 years old. Now here, the underlined words Tina and girl are nouns and the circled word she is a pronoun. Now children, instead of writing Tina is 8 years old, we have replaced the word Tina and we have written she is 8 years old. Okay. So Tina is a girl. So we have to write she is 8 years old. For a girl, we have to write she. And for a boy, we have to write he. Okay. Veera and Sara are friends. They play together. Here, the underlined words are Veera and Sara and the circled word is they. So children, to avoid repetition of the noun, we have used the word they. Okay. So they play together. They is a pronoun. Now, a bird is sitting on the tree. It is building a nest. Now here, the underlined word bird is a noun and the circled word it is a pronoun. Understood? Now, Jack is a clever boy. He does his homework regularly. Now here, the underlined words Jack and boy are nouns and the circled words he and his are pronouns. Now children, let's do an activity. Read the following story and replace the nouns with appropriate pronouns. I repeat the question. Read the following story and replace the nouns with appropriate pronouns. Now children, here you have to read the story carefully and replace the nouns with appropriate pronouns. Now let us read the story. Ramu lived in a village. Ramu used to supply milk to the villagers. The villagers loved Ramu very much. In turn, Ramu also loved the villagers. Ramu had a donkey. The donkey also helped Ramu in Ramu's work. Ramu had a wife named Sarla. Sarla helped Ramu in supplying milk to villages. Ramu loved Sarla very much. Ramu and Sarla led a contented life. Now children, let us find out the nouns in the story and replace the nouns with appropriate pronouns. The nouns are Ramu, Ramu here, villages, donkey, Sarla, etc. So now children, let us replace these nouns with appropriate pronouns. Ramu lived in a village. Now children, Ramu is a male. So instead of writing Ramu again, we will write he used to supply milk to the villagers. Now children, the next sentence is the villagers loved Ramu very much. So instead of writing the villagers, we will write they loved him very much. In turn, he also loved them. He had a donkey. It also helped him in his work. He had a wife named Sarla. Now children, in the next sentence, Sarla helped Ramu in supplying milk to the villagers. Here, the noun Sarla is a female. So we will write she helped him in supplying milk to them. He loved her very much. Now next sentence, Ramu and Sarla led a contented life. Now here, instead of writing Ramu and Sarla, we will write they led a contented life. Understood? Now children, let us proceed with the next activity. Choose the correct pronouns. Number 1, Anjali and Kavita are good friends. In the bracket, there are two pronouns, they and she. Dash went to the circus. Now children, you have to choose the correct pronoun. Okay. So children, what will you write over here? Think. Yes, you are right. You will write they. They went to the circus. Okay. Now next. Number 2. Raj came from London. Full stop. In the bracket there are two pronouns, he and it. Dash is a beautiful place. Now children, which is the correct pronoun? He or it? Which one will you select? Yes, you are right. You will write it is a beautiful place. So here we are talking about London, and London is a place. So we will write it is a beautiful place. Next, number 3. Rahul loves to play the violin. Full stop. In the bracket there are two pronouns, it and he. Dash plays well. Now children, here you have to choose the correct pronoun. Now which is the correct pronoun? It or he? Now here we are talking about Rahul. So what will you write over here? Yes, you will write he. He plays well. Okay. Next, number 4. I am free. Please tell dash. In the bracket there are two pronouns, my and me. Your problems. Now children, choose the correct pronoun. Which is the correct pronoun? My or me? Yes, you are right. The correct pronoun over here is me. So children, I am free. Please tell me your problems. Okay, next, number 5. Those slippers are mine. Dash. In the bracket, there are two pronouns, they and it. Are new. Those slippers are mine. Dash are new. So children, choose the correct pronoun. Which is the correct pronoun? Yes, you are right. The correct pronoun is they are new. Here we are talking about sleepers. So we'll write they are new. Now children, let us proceed with the next activity. Fill in the missing pronouns. Number 1. He cleaned and polished dash black leather shoes. Now children, what will you write over here? Yes, you can write he cleaned and polished his black leather shoes because we are talking about him. So we'll write he cleaned and polished his black leather shoes. Next, number 2. I gave dash kitten a dish of warm milk. Now children, what will you write over here? I gave my kitten a dish of warm milk. Now children, here you can write I gave his kitten a dish of warm milk, or you can write I gave her kitten a dish of warm milk. Okay, next, number 3. The teacher told dash to sit down. Now children, think and tell. What can you write over here? Yes, you can write the teacher told us to sit down. Now children, you can write the teacher told him to sit down, or you can write the teacher told her to sit down. Okay, next, number 4. Neeraj hung dash coat on a coat stand. Now children, Neeraj is a boy. So what will you write over here? Which pronoun will you write over here? Yes, you are right. Neeraj hung his coat on a coat stand. Now next, number 5. They pushed dash bikes up the steep hill. So children, what will you write over here? Yes, you are right. They pushed their bikes up the steep hill. So children, I hope you all have understood what are pronouns. Pronouns are words used instead of nouns. So children, thank you very much. In the next part, we will start with a new topic. Till then, Sai Ram.